Hey, this is my favorite one. He finna freestyle for y'all right here, man.
For sure.
It's not a game.
Nah. I'm so fresh, doing me. Jump out, they be like, who is he? Damn. Get close to me, you might get some swag on you. You gon' feel like I dropped 100 bags on you. Yeah, I'm just doing me. Jump out, who is he? Like, who is he? With my people, you know we get it in. Make to move, I don't sit around. Flying sausage, just swag on you to the fullest. Catch the money train, trick before you bite the bullet. Can't tell nothing about trying to get on. Trying to move on like from seed pocket full of stones. Yeah, still on that homegrown. Smoking on that shit that get you gone to the gone. Infinity and beyond, I'm beyond and behind that limit if you wanna know that. And it's a fact, everything ain't written. It's free to the mind and my soul when I'm spitting. Big dog, no kitten, no puppy, no cat, no rat, no motherfucking mice with it. All dice with it if you don't gamble. My image clear if you only take this candle. Daddy fuck Maury not on this panel. My niggas trying to get money just off of scandals. So what you get your taxes? Now you acting like your ass been trapping. You just a nigga with a napkin that I'ma sneeze on, so I'ma breeze on. And to the deal, I'ma just bring my weed on. Everybody just can leave home, bygones can be bygones, but bitch breeze on. I'm in a different section with it here. I spit a different selection, I spit it clear. I'm not misspin on getting it while I'm moving. You notice my car is like a boat is cruising. I'm slow motion. And I'm cruising. You awake, but every time you look, it's like it's snoozing. But you don't see your soldiers over there, got soldiers over here with soldier gear on them. So how the fuck you niggas can't tell that I'm GS? You know we gon' sell cause we the best. I'm Elliot Ness. I'm all at your body with that shotty like I wanna see it poke out from the other side. I'm small but I come back another size. And if your bitch ass in the car, hey, you better ride. Cause it's that die shit. Get your fucking vertebrae snap. You never heard of me rap? Hey nigga hear of me jap. Cause I can care less about what you speaking in here. I be fucking with bitches that's Puerto Rican in here.
Salsa.